Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. Today we're gonna turn this wheelless, scuffed up, scraped up Hot Wheels Firebird into a Firebird drag car. Before we get started, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. This is the condition of the car when I got it. It had no wheels on it. Came with the other one that I recently did that somebody looks like they tried to drill it out themselves, but the posts were too small and they just, I guess, ruined it. Get into our stripper here, and as Lee says, Time Rider, give it a little shake for good luck. I decided for the tires I was going to need to put axle tubes on. So I filed out and cleaned out the area. Get it nice and ready, filed down, cleaned up. Cut the tubes. Cleaned out the burrs in the ends. Perfect fit. Get our CA glue on there. Make sure it's covering, filling in everywhere underneath too. Excuse my big fingers, you big dummy. Come on, move your hand. Yeah, there you go. Oh, no, right back with the big hand in there. Big German sausage fingers. I'm putting some baking soda on. Let it sit for a little bit, and then I blew it all off, brushed it off after it dried. We go with our primer. Yeah, I wanted to get away from that gray base. It had to be plastic. I wanted it to be a black base. Spraying on a light tack coat. Kind of hard to see, but it is the color that I end up with, just a very light coating on there. Get our windshield, which I absolutely hated the smoked glass, but and the interior too first. Had a real nice detailed interior that I could have detailed even more with a little paint, but I figured since you couldn't really see inside of it due to the window guard or screen, whatever, you can see that I chromed those metal strips going down the middle of the windshield. I guess there's some form of protection. Oh yeah, and I detailed the bottom with the Chevy orange for the motor. Here it is, all ready to put together. After I got the base on, I used some of that epoxy putty. Wanted to make it have that rivet effect. I mixed up a little of that. Kind of a big piece I put in here. I don't show it, but I came back later and scraped it out and went with a little ball smaller than that. And I took the end of a paintbrush, wet it, made the little rivet effect in the clay or the epoxy clay. And when that was all dried, came back with some of the black paint, painted it in, blend in. The next scene is the play baby in me. I figure if Austin can do it, I can do it. Here's what we started with. No tires, no wheels, big scrape up the front end, crummy smoked glass window, but you got to deal with what you're dealing with. Here's what we ended up with. Hot Wheels Firebird drag car. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. For now, this is OPA in GM Dragland saying goodbye.